Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2,000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is magkita. Meet. Magkita. Magkita. Meet. Makipagkita sa isang kliyente. Meet a client. Makipagkita sa isang kliyente. Baguhin. Revise. Baguhin. Baguhin. Revise. Baguhin ang schedule. Revise the schedule. Baguhin ang schedule. Direktor. Director. Direktor. Direktor. Director. Direktor ng kumpanya. Company director. Direktor ng kumpanya. Pabrika. Factory. Pabrika. Pabrika. Factory. Malaking pabrika. Huge factory. Malaking pabrika. Resultang produkto. Output. Resultang produkto. Resultang produkto. Output. Bumabagsak na resulta ng produkto. Falling output. Bumabagsak na resulta ng produkto. Manggagawa. Workforce. Manggagawa. Manggagawa. Workforce. Ang manggagawa ay kalahating kalalakihan at kalahating kababaihan. The workforce is half men and half women. Ang manggagawa ay kalahating kalalakihan at kalahating kababaihan. Materyales. Material. Materyales. Materyales. Material. Bagong materyales. New material. Bagong materyales. Parte. Part. Parte. Parte. Part. Kailangan ang isang parte. Need a part. Kailangan ang isang parte. Makina. machine, máquina, máquina, machine, bagong máquina, new machine, bagong máquina. Cemento, cement, cemento, cemento, cement, cementong sahig, cement floor, cementong sahig. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say meet? Magkita. Magkita. And how to say revise? Baguhin. Baguhin. What about director? Director. Director. Do you remember how to say factory? Pabrika. Pabrika. Let's try output. Resultang produkto. Resultang produkto. What about workforce? Manggagawa. Manggagawa. Now, let's see if you remember how to say material. Materiales. Materiales. Another one. What about part? Parte. Parte. Do you remember how to say machine? Máquina. Máquina. And finally, do you remember how to say cement? Cemento. Cemento. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!